Hey guys, welcome back to Dad's Garage. Today we're going to share a new tool that we just picked up with you and give you our thoughts and opinions on it. I'm going to start the video in the daylight, but tonight when it gets dark, I'm going to finish the video off. But here's my issue. So I bought a bar light for like under hood working on cars because I need lighting when I'm trying to do some things on the car, whether it's up underneath the dash, whether it's under the hood somewhere. Not easy to always see because there's so much junk piled in there these days. So I had a Braun from Harbor Freight stick light. It was great for about 9 months and then it wouldn't recharge anymore. So that was out the window, wasted money there. So went back, thought, okay, well, I'm not going to do a Braun again, even though I did like it while it worked. It didn't work long, and the Harbor Freight warranty is super short. So just be aware of that. If you don't buy extended warranty, I believe it's a 30 or 90-day warranty on their stuff. So you got to be really careful with Harbor Freight's warranties. So I went back, bought one of these. This is the Icon. This is their like mechanic tool line. Got this light. It's been very functional. I like it a lot, really, because you have multiple ways you can use it. You can use the end here. You can poke this in a lot of places where you can't get. It's got this side, two brightnesses, and then it's also got this side. So it's very versatile. But, and you knew there was a but coming. My problem with this is it is rechargeable, and I've had this about a year, and now it won't stay charged either. So 10 minutes of use, it's down to 1 bar. So I'm really frustrated with the rechargeable stuff. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to get something that was in my Milwaukee ecosystem so that it was stuff I already had plenty of batteries for. So I wanted one that was super bright. I also wanted one that could adjust angles. So I went with this one. This is a 2354-20 from Milwaukee. It's a tool only. You can pick these up at Home Depot. You can pick them up at Northern Tool. Pretty much everywhere I looked, they're about 99 bucks. So let's get this thing out here and let's just take a look at this thing. So what I like about it is this head can be rotated. So no matter where I'm working, I can shine the light, whether I've got it sitting under the hood and I need to aim it down, whether I'm sitting, trying to work underneath the dash and I've got it on the floor and I point it upwards. I like that about it. This thing has several different, I'm gonna grab a battery here. This thing has several different modes to it. So this would be the floodlight mode. And I'm going to show you these tonight too, because it's going to make a bigger difference. All right, so this mode is the mode that's supposed to reach 700 yards. So we're going to see tonight how well this lights up. But this is a spotlight. This would be spotlight and flood. This would be flood. And then if you hold this button down, it becomes a strobe, which can be good for an emergency if you're using it in your car or whatever. So I really like that about it. You can also set it on the end. So if you're using this thing, you can aim this thing wherever you want to aim it. And I really, really like that. So it's very versatile. It takes your M18 batteries. It's kind of heavy, so that's one thing that you're going to need to be aware of. If you want something that's a little lighter or more compact, this is probably not what you want to go with. But this thing feels very rugged, and I really like it so far. So let's get out there tonight and check this thing out, and let's see what we think about it once we get this thing in the dark. All right, so here we are. We finally got nighttime. Let's see if we can find a place where streetlights aren't. Okay, so right over here. The camera makes it look a lot brighter than it is because it's pretty darn dark right here. but you see the nice wide path it makes? Oh, shoot. It's a nice wide path, and this is on flood. Then if you turn to spotlight and you look out over here, look at that, all the way out to the trees. Look at that. Super, super bright. And then this is flood and spot, so you get some of both. And then there's one more mode here where we get strobe, which is pretty cool. So anyway, that's it. This thing is super nice. It's a little heavy, like I said, but it is super nice and super duper bright. So anyway, that wraps it up for this one. We'll catch you next time right here on Dad's Garage.